Hey everybody, today's video review, we're talking about a new tool from Hilti. It's a pressure cleaner. A good pressure cleaner is indispensable on a construction job site, maintaining cleanliness, which equates to safety and efficiency. It's the Hilti PC 2-22 portable pressure cleaner, and it's cordless, 22 volt Neuron. It's designed for light cleanups around a construction site. The water flow rate is 0.58 gallons per minute with a max up to 1.19 gallons per minute, which gives pretty effective cleaning. Applications where we feel this tool is effective, well, first, removing mud off equipment, tires, stuff like that, maybe cleaning truck beds, washing off heavy equipment, cleaning decks, staging and platforms, especially during construction. It can get pretty nasty, or maybe just before you're finished. Washing mud and fresh slurry, cleaning mixers, coring bits, and concrete cutting equipment, as well as maybe cleaning slurry from concrete slabs and cores, especially in places where there is no access to a hose. Which brings me to the next thing, is this is cordless and it can draw water from a tank or a bucket. Even washing small areas like new masonry after you do the acid washing on the masonry. So the pressure cleaner, it runs on the 22 volt platform like I talked about, and one great feature is it can siphon water from a bucket or tank, as well as connect directly to a water source if you need to, which is the quick connect. The siphon feature is great because it allows for remote cleaning with no running water, right? That's the key to this tool right here. An additional detergent accessory can also be purchased, so you can actually run some cleaning fluids and stuff through it. The tool has an IPX5 rating, and when you see that 5, that second number, that gives you protection against water jet from all directions. So it's pretty safe around water. The PC2-22 uses a double fixation thread to connect the wand and cleaning head to the tool. The connections are all ABS plastic with rubber O-rings, and we found the tool really easy to assemble, disassemble, troubleshoot, and clean. The pressure cleaner is super easy to use. There is a lock and a trigger. Plus the head has 4 cleaning options that just rotate through for spray to stream or whatever. I used the cordless cleaner to clean my truck. I used it to clean off a Bobcat, and I did that by siphoning water from a 5-gallon bucket. I additionally used it to clean my patio and my pool filter at home, and I used a quick connect to a garden hose. I had a brass one that I used that I connected to this, and it worked great. You can buy the hose connection. It's an accessory, I think. 5-gallon bucket hooked to a hose. There was no difference in pressure perceived by me. Seemed the same, powerful. One thing I'd like to see Hilti improve on would be to provide a better hose coupling connection. You see this a lot on the concrete cutters and water siphons and tanks. It's just a plastic coupling. I'd love for them to come up with a brass connection. Let me see some of the main features on the PC2-22. It boasts a working pressure of 580 psi and a maximum pressure up to 870 psi. While this is nowhere near, say, 1300 to 2400 psi on a gas pressure washer, the range of pressure allows you to tackle a ton of tasks. For example, cleaning small equipment or washing away mud, slurry, or whatever with ease. One of the standout features that I liked on the cleaner was the 4-in-1 adjustable nozzle. It was really easy to work with and just clicked right through. It offers a flexibility to switch between like a turbo wash to a concentrated pressure for tough spots, or a 60-degree wide spray, or if you're doing a broader cleaning area. So you kind of click through those 4 settings. The adaptability pretty much ensures that you have the right spray pattern for whatever you're trying to clean, right? This tool weighs in around 4.6 pounds. It's incredibly light. I found one-handed use pretty easy. Its compact design and detachable lance make it easy to transport, store, or fit in your truck, work van, or toolbox, whatever you got to do, truck box. Basically, eliminates the need to lug around a bulky cleaning equipment. This is a super small, super compact, and like I said, you can pull water from a 5-gallon bucket if you need to. The ergonomic design of the Hilti cleaner includes a convenient handle that just has a one easy to pull trigger. I told you it has a lock and a trigger. Super comfortable, extended use. There were no hot spots. It wasn't sharp, easy to pull. It's just a really simple, easy, straightforward tool. I feel like there's some thoughtful design in it, to minimize fatigue, allowing you to work longer with discomfort. Just the handle was great. And like I said, one-handed use for reaching. I guess to conclude, the Hilti PC22 portable pressure cleaner combines reasonable cleaning power. It's not a pressure washer. Versatility and portability. Operating on that Neuron 22-volt battery platform, you're able to suction water from a bucket or right up from a hose feed if you need to. But I love the super portable feature to it. We think this would be great for washing slurry from cutting concrete slabs and cores, like I said, especially in places where there is no access to a hose. Also, it would be great for washing down small areas of new masonry, like acid washing, and maybe even good for washing down decks. Just today, I was helping a couple of guys install some railings on a deck, and it had rained, and we had muddy footprints all over the place. Sweeping it just made it worse. Mud was all over the composite decking. It looked horrible. It would have been a great spot to use that cleaner, and I left it here in the shop. I didn't have it with us. So anyway, at just $225, the cleaner offers an excellent value for a tool that promises to enhance remote cleanup for you guys. I hope you found this review helpful. Super easy tool to review, kind of a short review. Not a whole lot of time on it, maybe an hour and a half of use on this over 3 or 4 different uses, but it is just a really nice tool and a nice compliment to just have for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you at the next tool review. Take care.